Is your camera not working in Zoom? Whether your video is showing a black screen, Zoom can't detect your webcam, or other apps seem to be using the camera, these issues are usually easy to fix. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Zoom camera not working in 2026. If you're using an external webcam, make sure it's properly connected to your computer. Try unplugging and reconnecting the camera or switching to a different USB port. Open your computer's privacy settings and make sure Zoom has permission to access your camera. Without the correct permissions, Zoom won't be able to display video. Open Zoom settings and navigate to the video section. Check that the correct webcam is selected, especially if your computer has multiple camera devices connected. Apps such as Teams, Skype, browser tabs, or recording software may already be using your webcam. Close those applications and then test your camera again in Zoom. Close Zoom completely and reopen it. If the problem continues, restart your computer to clear temporary software conflicts that may be affecting camera access. Outdated drivers or software can sometimes cause camera problems. Install the latest Zoom version and update your webcam drivers through your operating system. Open your camera app or another video application to verify that the webcam is working correctly. If the camera doesn't work anywhere, the issue may be related to the device itself. And that's how to fix Zoom camera not working in 2026. By checking permissions, selecting the correct camera, updating software, and testing your webcam, you can solve most video issues quickly. So try these troubleshooting steps and get your camera working again before your next meeting. Thanks for watching.